recorded a Zoom call but can't find the file? Here's exactly where to locate your Zoom recordings in seconds. Open a Zoom desktop app and click the gear icon to enter settings. Now go to the recording tab. Here you'll see the exact file path where your Zoom saves local recordings. Usually something like c/users/yourname/documents and Zoom. Click open folder right from here and it'll take you straight there. Each recording is stored in a folder named after the meeting's date and time. Inside you'll find the video file in MP4 form, an audio only version .m4a form, and if enabled, the chat transcript in .txt form. If you're using cloud recording, go to zoom.us, sign in, click recordings, and you'll see all your files saved online. Now you'll never lose a recording again. Give this video a like if it helped and subscribe for more Zoom productivity hacks.